Currently, we are in Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, the state that is going into the polls in another 3 weeks. The state will see a very close contest between the BJP and the Congress, which are fighting for the 200 assembly seats. Many candidates have already started fielding their nominations, and yesterday we spoke to one such candidate from Congress, Archana Sharma, who's fighting for the Malviya Nagar. Archana Sharma started her campaign on August 11th by launching the Vikas Sankalp Yatra. In 2018, she lost the assembly election to the opposition BJP candidate Kalicharan Saraf. However, recently she leveled allegations against the sitting MLA Saraf that the Jaipur area has been a lot of corruption charges and a lot of mafia words. However, she speaks to us on the rising water prices of Rajasthan and the recent allegations that Rajasthan has a lot of crimes against women.
मैडम सामने देखो
Road for crime is a misconception. I don't say that there are no crimes against people. Once the crime is committed, we ensure that the justice process is expedited. It is the only state where it has been ensured that if a crime is committed against a woman, then it is essential for police Thana to register that complaint. And in case if it doesn't do that, SB has been made a known agency. And we have also ensured that once FIR has been registered, the process of justice is expedited.
मैम राजस्थान में बहुत वाटर क्राइसिस तो है इसको लेकर सेवरल रिपोर्ट्स एंड मेडिकल डू नॉट हैव वाटर What are your comments on that?
Yes, there is a crisis. The crisis is throughout the world. So in Rajasthan, we are ensuring that ERCP project becomes a national project, but the central government is not cooperating in that sense. So our government has already issued a budget of around 10,000 crores. The next time when the government will ensure that this project is completed.
Right, and ma'am, if you win for the Malviya Nagar, what additions would you like to bring to this constituency? And as a leader, what do you think Malviya Nagar requires, which it lacks?
See, the previous MLA for the last times is institutionalized corruption and he never favored public. He used the mandate for his personal enhancement. So this time people have realized that after the Congress government came into power, there was an allocation of 14,000 crores for the people and many development work have been done and we ensure that it goes on.
Thank you so much.